I've tested a lot of affiliate marketing systems over the years, and honestly, most beginners end up overwhelmed before they even get started. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what OLSP actually is, how the system works, the results that I've got so far, and a few realistic things that I think beginners should know before actually joining. So let's get into it. So what is OLSP? Well, OLSP is essentially a beginner-friendly affiliate marketing platform that gives people training, tools, and a simpler starting point if they're trying to make money online. Now, there's two ways of starting out with OLSP. You can start out at the free level, and you can just sort of come in and browse the various features and just get a feel for it. And if you decide to upgrade, then you can upgrade for $7. Or you can come straight in at $7, and then you've got access to most of the features here. Now, when you sign up, you're given a link called a MegaLink, which is essentially just a link, a URL. The idea is that you share your MegaLink online, and if someone signs up or upgrades through your link, you earn commissions from the platform. Now, there's other ways of earning inside the system as well. So if I come on here to the Skill Center, this is where all the training videos are. And believe me, they're very, very good. Now, each time you watch a video, you're going to be paid $5. So go through the training and get paid for learning. How good is that? They also have different events and live training as well, and you can get a link for that as well. So if somebody signs up to the live training with your link, then you're going to get paid for that as well. So you can see here there's a lot of trainings in here that they have. They also have a community. So if you get stuck on anything, you need some help, you can post your question in here and somebody will come back and answer it. There's always people available, experienced people who've been using OLSP for quite some time, and they'll come in and answer your question and help you out. And the owner of the platform, Wayne Crow, he has something called the Friday Fix, and it's where you can ask him any question that you have. So this is normally broadcast on YouTube, so you can just sign up and watch what's going on and put any questions that you have to Wayne and he'll answer them. Now, one of the main training in the system is something called Facebook 101, and this will give you all the training you need to go onto Facebook and start promoting and earning commissions. It's very good training and you're going to learn a lot from it. Now, I've been using the OLSP system on and off for just over a year, and so far I've earned $1,165. So it's been working quite well for me. I've mainly just shared some simple posts on Facebook. I've tried to provide value where I can, and over time some people have joined through my link and the commissions have gradually grown. One thing beginners tend to struggle with is traffic. So one nice new feature that OLSP has added is something called MegaLink Profit Boosters. And this is where you're going to be able to purchase traffic from OLSP and send that to your MegaLink. So you've got an option here of solo ads, and they're going to give you clicks from tier 1 countries. So you're going to get clicks from the USA, the UK, Canada, Australia, countries like that, where there's actually buyers. So solo ads is one option. Another option is a traffic rotator. So your MegaLink will get added to a rotator every month, and you have a chance there of making sales with your MegaLink as well. So a couple of nice options there for you for traffic. So let me simplify how the system actually works, because I think this is where a lot of beginners get confused with affiliate marketing in general. So most systems online involve lots of moving parts. Websites, funnels, email software, automations, landing pages, and for many people it becomes overwhelming very quickly. So what OLSP tries to do is simplify that process down quite a bit. So for example, you might create content on platforms like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, or wherever you normally spend your time online. Inside OLSP, you're given something called a MegaLink, which is basically your central referral link connected to the platform. So instead of trying to promote lots of different things separately, you're mainly directing people through that one central link. And then if somebody joins or upgrades through your link, commissions get attached back to your account. Now, obviously, this doesn't mean instant money. You still need consistency, content, and patience like anything else online. But I can understand why beginners are attracted to the simplicity of the model. So, overall, I can definitely see why OLSP appeals to beginners who want a simpler starting point online. If you want to take a look yourself, I'll leave the link below this video. And if you found this useful, feel free to subscribe because I'll be making more videos around affiliate marketing, AI tools, and building online income in simpler ways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.